Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, August 11th. I hope you're doing well and that you had a good week. I was supposed to go to my friend's house this week, but I was not able to go because I think I've told you guys before I get migraines, and I had a horrible one Sunday night, and I actually had to go to the ER because I couldn't keep any medicine down. So I got some IV migraine medicines, and I felt much better, so went home early Monday morning. And I've been doing a lot of resting since then. I feel a lot better. I'm taking some other migraine medicine too. But I wasn't able to go to my friends, but we rescheduled to next week, so we'll try again. So I hope your week has been better than mine, but it's getting better. So that's always good. And I have some fun things to show you this week. Just a few crafty items and then some home decor. So I hope you stick around for the whole video. So yeah, let's get started. All right, I placed my first order with Queen and Company. They sell, if you don't know them, it's a company, they sell a lot of different like paper crafting kits, and they do shaker kits mostly, which is really nice because they send you the foam and the acetate and all the shaker bits and stuff like that. They always seem to be a little pricey to me, but I'm sure, it includes a lot of stuff, so that's why, but it's kind of put me off from ordering from them. But this time an ad came up on my Facebook for a collection, and then I found a 10% off coupon, so I went for it. So let me show you what I got. This is the free gift that came with it, which I thought was super nice, this pack of little tiny buttons. So I'll definitely use them. They must know I like buttons. No, just kidding, of course. Everyone likes buttons. And this is the kit that I got, and this is called Homemade Holiday. This is actually not the one that I saw on my ad. It was a new Christmas one with the Christmas house that was super cute. But as I was looking through the website, I found this one. And this one is probably older. I'm not sure. It maybe came out last year. But we'll check inside because I haven't opened it yet. I just got it in the mail today, so I thought it was perfect timing, so I would share with you guys what I got. So just in case you're curious, this cost $59.95 for the kit. It was free shipping, and I had the 10% off coupon, so I thought that was pretty good with everything you get. So let me open this up. It comes in this cool bag, which was super nice. Definitely, keep everything in here. And let's see if this paper comes out so you can read the whole thing. Yeah, it's just stuck. Sorry, crinkling. Okay, so the kit includes 34 steel dies, 1 6x6 paper pad, 1 4x6 clear stamps, 15 foam shakers and acetate, and 8 shaker toppings. So these are the different designs that you can make, so you can see why I had to get this. And if you guys have this, let me know what you think. I'd love to see some projects made with this. I don't know why. Maybe did I see this last year? I don't know why I wouldn't have bought it. Maybe because of the price or something, or I don't know. But I saw it this time and I was like, I have to get that. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Okay, so these are the dies, and look at this. You can make a shaker cookie sheet. I don't have a shaker cookie sheet die, and I feel like I need that. And there's an oven. I have oven dies, but this is a smaller one, so that's nice. There's a bowl with the cute little gingy, all the little pieces cut out. That's awesome. And then there's the cookie jar, and then solid gingy. I'm sure you could use, well, maybe use this as a background of that one. There's parts of the stove, and they do a lot of stitching too, which I love. The pastry bag is all stitched, all the little doodads and decorations. This looks like, what's that? Oh, the lid of the cookie jar. Yep. And there's some tools, a label. I guess this goes on the stove probably. Cookie. And then, what's this? Maybe like tips of the pastry bag, probably. So isn't that a great die set? Oh, I just can't get enough baking dies. And then let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is, oh, see, the shaker parts are already cut out for you. So that is really, really nice. And they give you the acetate that you could just, use the die and cut it out and tape behind it, or, glue behind it. or well, glue behind the paper, in between the paper and the foam is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, and I know you can order refills of this too, which was nice. Oh, sorry about my tripod. And then this is the paper, Homemade Holiday. And let's see if it says when it came out. No. But I think there were reviews on the page from last year, so I think that's why I think it was last year. So these are the papers it comes with. 6x6, 16 styles, 24 papers, 3 sheets each of 8 double-sided papers. And what is that? It's on both of them. It's just some weird little yellow mark. So double-sided, that's a red stripe, and then diagonal green and red stripes. Nice to have a bunch of each. Here's like a, just kind of like a, I don't know, stripe with wavy lines. And that's brown, looks like chocolate chips. Oh, look at the gingerbreads. That is so cute. Love the small print there. And I don't know, maybe you can order these things separately. I think I tried to look and I couldn't find like everything I wanted separate, so I just got the kit. Trees with polka dots on the back in pink and red, blue, green. This is a very like bright, fun paper pad. Snowflakes. And of course you could use this or whatever paper you want when you're making the items. Another stripe. Another stripe. They like their stripes. That one's pink with thin white and pink lines. Oh, that one I love. Look at those cookies. All different gingerbread or sugar cookies with polka dots in the backgrounds. Yep, love that. And then this pink one, it's darker pink with a lighter pink or white writing on it, which has all sorts of baking sayings, sprinkles, frosting, not sayings, words, gingerbread, Christmas cookies. Yeah, very cute. That's the back of that one. And then some snowflakes. I like these prints. They're very simple, most of them. You know, you can use them in lots of different projects. These would be good for frames of shakers because they don't have a complicated design, you know, but still a little interesting. There's another bigger polka dot and some like aqua snowflakes. Yeah, so that's the paper. I like the paper. It's not, you know, fabulous, but I like it. And then it comes with, oh, more dies. So these are the little tools. So a rolling pin, spatula, another kind of spatula, whisk, and layering pieces, which is great. Very nice. And looks like the paper stuck to the front. Here's the stamps, and these are kind of hard to read. Let me get, do I have a piece of paper here? Let's see. Let's see if that helps. Let me fold this. Okay, yeah. So we have May Your Holidays Be Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. I won't read them all. If you want to read them, just go ahead and pause the video and you can see. But wishing you a sweet holiday season. 'Tis a season to be baking. I could see me using those a lot. Happy Homemade Christmas. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, there's even a happy birthday in there. Excellent. Sending you Christmas cookie wishes. This one, oh, look at that. Christmas cookies and happy hearts. That's how the holiday starts. Ah, I love it. Yeah, these are great. And they're good size for tags too, like little tags. Great. Okay, and then these are the, what do they call them? Sprinkles or something? These are little tiny like balls that don't have holes in them, little beads that don't have holes. And all sorts of colors too. So colors that coordinate with the papers. So there's like an aqua and a darker teal, red, pink, white, and this like, looks kind of brownish color, like a bronze. So yeah, those are nice. They'll be great for the shakers. And of course, I have plenty of shaker bits myself. And yeah, everything else store in here. So I think it's worth it. I really like the design and everything, so I'm glad that I picked that up. All right, so that's the only crafty thing I have to share with you this week. I've been buying home decor and stuff like that, so hopefully you're interested. If you are, keep watching. So let me show you what I picked up at Walmart this week. I did get a new garden flag, and their garden flags are only $5, which is a good price. And they had a new fall display out, and I really like this one. It's like kind of like it's a shiny material, but it looks like burlap kind of, and it's got this like patch on it of a pumpkin. And then the letters are dimensional too, so the pumpkin is the O and the word home. And then there's printed leaves on the back, on the bottom, and the back is the same thing. So I love this. I think it's so pretty. They had, like I said, other ones too, but this was my favorite, and only $5. I think that's great. Sometimes they get faded in the sun, you know, so they only last a couple of seasons. Depends on where you have your flag in your house. I actually have two flagpoles, garden flagpoles in the front of my house. One is on the porch in like a freestanding flagpole, and the other one is into the ground, like at the beginning of the walkway. So yeah, so I'll put this in one of those. I love it. I thought it was so cute. And then also at Walmart, I got this pillow, and this is in the shape of a cat, a black cat, and it's got like pom-pom trim. And I'm not crazy about this bow. I think I'm going to take it off and add my own. I don't know. It's just a little uninteresting to me. I don't know. I might leave it there. But this was $6.98, I believe. I don't have, wait, does it say up here? Halloween pillow. That's the UPC in case you're interested. Yeah, $6.98. And they had some like mushroom ones and a pumpkin one that was super cute. But I don't have a black cat pillow. So yeah, pick that up. And you guys know I have a black cat. And then I got these lights. These were $5.44, and they're Harvest 30 LED micro warm white lights. They're indoor-outdoor, takes 3 AA batteries, and has 8 functions. And I love the fact that it has a timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. And the functions are, I think it said somewhere. Am I not looking at it correctly? Maybe it was on the box, because I don't see them on here. You know, the packing box that they all came in. Yeah, I don't see it right here, but they were like fade and, you know, flashing and that kind of thing. So yeah, so I got one of those to add to my fall decor. So that was it from Walmart. I went to Homegoods a few times, and yeah, I needed some retail therapy after the migraine thing. So I picked up this tumbler, and this is a Hello Kitty fall tumbler. How cute is this, right? It's got the little cup of pumpkin spice latte or hot cocoa or something, and there's Hello Kitty with the leaves falling, and then the back says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and that was only $6.99. So I thought that was good. It's got a space to, let's see, yeah, I'll figure that out, but you slide it back, and I'll usually drink with a straw, so I'll probably put a straw in there. So yeah, got that. And then I've been looking for these towels forever, and my store finally got them in. They're hand towels, and I'm going to put these in the bathroom sometimes. These are from Casaba, and they were $9.99 for 2, which is good. Sometimes their hand towels are $12.99 for 2. And these are little Halloween donuts. So all different designs: Frankenstein, ghost, jack-o'-lantern, spider, spider web, candy corn one, and then they have the sprinkles in the background and the little bats, and oh, just thought it was so cute. I love Halloween and sweets together, so yeah, I was glad to find those. And then a couple of the other things I got are kind of big, so let me move this over. I got these more placemats, not for eating on, but just for like decor reasons. I thought these were beautiful, aren't they? It comes with the set of 4 Sigrid Olsen home, and it was $16.99, which I think is a lot, but these are beautiful. They're like kind of like a shiny burlap in the background, and then it's got the soft white yarn on top. So there's 4 of these beautiful pumpkin placemats. So I like to put these like on my coffee table, and then put, you know, like a little candle arrangement on top of it, and I think that'll look really nice. So I got those. And then I got these drying mats. I have Halloween ones, but I don't have fall ones. So these, I think these match those other hand towels that I got, the fall ones. They have like mushrooms and acorns and moons and stuff on them. I thought this would be great just for all of fall. These were $7.99 for 2, and these are by En Vogue. And then, let's see, I got this pillow too. This is a big one. This is a giant candy corn. Let me move these drying mats out of the way. Okay, so you can see it's a nice big size, and it's so soft. This was in the bedding section. It was $16.99, and this is by, let's see, is there another tag? I don't see one, sorry. But it's from Marshall's, and yeah, I thought this would be cute on the couch along with the black cat at Halloween time. So that's that, and I see I have something else wrapped up. Hold on. Oh yeah, I got this candle, Cinnamon Pumpkin, and it's by DW Home, 1 wick. Oh, it smells so good. I love scents like this, and it's only $4.99. This is a smaller candle, but still decent size. It is 3.8 ounces, I think that says. So I got this for my craft room because it's a smaller candle, so I don't have to burn the whole thing and then, you know, wait for it to pool. Otherwise you'll get tunneling. So this way it won't take long to burn all the way to the edges is what I'm trying to say. So that's what I got for my craft room. And yeah, I think that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We're getting closer to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you to everybody who subscribes to my channel. If you don't yet, I would invite you to please subscribe. I'd love to have you here. And I've got some more Crafty videos coming up. I'm working on some Scrap Diva design projects and for August, and I'll be uploading another video probably on Sunday for that, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't seen KS Craft's new video for the August release, oh, you need to check it out. I'll leave Hannah's video down below, but it's got Christmas in it. So cute, so much Christmas, and there was something else in it. Well, there's some things that are not really Christmas related, and I think, oh, there was fall too. Yeah, so, oh, such a great release. I can't wait to get the dies and start playing with those. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I hope you have a great weekend. My family and I were going to go see the Barbie movie this weekend. I've heard it was really good. My daughter actually saw it already and she wants to see it again. So we're all going to go. So that'll be a nice family activity. And then, like I said, I'm going to hopefully go away next week, but I'll be back in time for next week's Friday haul. All right, so tell me what you guys are up to. Let me know what you think of this week's haul. I would love to chat with you guys. I always love to read your comments, and I reply when I can. And yeah, it's just, that's the best part of YouTube, is interacting with you guys, definitely. All right, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.